Hello everyone and welcome to Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. As you may already be able to tell, we're outside of the detailing bay. And that is because we want to show you a few products that make detailing so easy you can do it almost anywhere. We've brought along our Speed Load Caddy, and this is housing two of our products that we're going to be using to start off with. And that's our Swift Wipe, which is a waterless wash system in a bottle. Think of this as a car wash in a bottle, and essentially this is going to help lift off any abrasive particles that are sitting on top of your paintwork, your glass, your wheels, headlights, anything that could potentially scratch the surface. Simply spray it on, allow a moment for it to dwell, and this will encapsulate any abrasive particles so that they can be safely guided off of the surface. So I'll place this on the ground, and we'll just grab a green workhorse microfiber towel. We've designated green for exterior jobs such as our waterless wash solution. Shake the bottle, and just spray directly onto the surface using a fine mist but a generous amount. And we'll just allow this to dwell for just a moment so that again it can encapsulate any abrasive particles and be safely lifted off of the surface without creating any kind of scratches or swirls. And by working in linear motions while also rolling the towel, this further prevents the chances of installing any kind of swirls or scratches. You can see that buildup of dirt. Creating a new edge by rolling means that we're not going to have an excess buildup or a huge blockage of dirt, which could potentially mar the paintwork. But Swift Wipe easily picks up that light daily driving dust and debris while also adding a very fine layer of sealant, which means it's going to enhance the gloss of your vehicle while also adding some protection. This will keep it cleaner for longer, but what's great about this product is you can use it anywhere. So if you don't have access to running water, or if you don't have a pressure washer, a bucket, or just the time to use all those kind of equipment and tools, this is a great way to keep your car looking its best for as long as possible. So again, simply spray on, wipe off, then come back with the clean side of the towel and buff off any streaks or any residue to reveal a beautiful shine. Now here's a common problem that most of us have to deal with, and that is bird dropping sitting on your paintwork, and even passing your favorite quick detail spray or waterless wash over the surface, there's still some residue left behind. And a lot of people have the tendency to pick at it or scratch it, which again can damage the vehicle's finish. So a quick tip is to spray your microfiber towel with your favorite quick detail spray or waterless wash, and then simply saturate the area and gently work back and forth. Again, using that same linear motion, just pick off any of the mess without scratching the finish. So you see it comes off very easily, and now there's no scratches or any kind of swirls left behind. As we mentioned earlier, Swift Wipe can be used on a variety of surfaces, including your glass. So we've moved to the back of this vehicle where there's a lot of dust, water spots, and also bee pollen and bird droppings that have sit on the glass of this vehicle. And we're going to show you just how simple it is to remove it using Swift Wipe. So again, spray the surface directly, and we'll just allow this a moment to dwell. Then using a fresh microfiber towel, we'll start wiping away any of the dirt and debris. I should mention that this vehicle is cool to the touch. As you can see, we are outside, but we've chosen to start working when it's earlier in the morning, so the surface is cooler to the touch. This way the product doesn't streak or dry onto the surface. This way we can restore perfect clarity. No streaks, no runs, no cuts, no butts, no coconuts. And then we'll just flip the towel over to a clean side just to make sure we're not leaving behind any kind of streaks. Buffing away any of that sealant. And this is going to add protective properties which will help repel any kind of water spots. And again, keeping the glass looking cleaner for longer. Now one last surface that you can use Swift Wipe on is your wheels. And this is a great way to pick up water spots, road debris, and brake dust without using a bucket, a hose, or any kind of brushes. Moving on to the wheels, you can see that there's brake dust and all kinds of filth that sits on the surface. And if that's left on there long enough, it's actually corrosive enough where it will pit and deteriorate the finish of the wheel. So this is a great product to keep in your car where you can just simply spray it on and wipe it off to keep your wheels looking their best. Now rather than using a fresh towel where we know it's going to get filthy with all the kind of contamination from the wheels, we've used a used towel, which we've used all over the vehicle already. So you can see it's kind of saturated, already has some dirt on there. But we'll just use this to pick up the majority of the brake dust, any kind of messes. You can even use it to clean the tire, just so we're removing all that bulk of the filth and we're not wasting one fresh towel. But we could always come back with a brand new towel just to pick up any of the messes, any kind of streaks, and buff it to a high shine. Now also a pro tip you may have already noticed, we've already removed the tags from all of the towels. This will prevent any kind of scratches or swirls, again, prevent any kind of paint damage. This way we give our vehicle the best attention without causing any kind of damage. And there you have it, guys. You see just how easy it is to use Swift Wipe to get your wheels looking their best. So now we're going to move on to the rest of the vehicle, get taken care of all the other dirt and debris, and then we'll show you the afters. And there you have it. You see the multiple uses and the versatility of Swift Wipe, how it effortlessly removes dirt, debris, and other kinds of droppings on your vehicle's paint, glass, and wheels. Now this only took us about 20 minutes using 6 clean microfiber towels, and this is a great way to get your car looking its best in less time using less product. So now we're going to move on to our next product with Alex.
Thank you, Nick, for that demonstration on that waterless wash. If you want to learn how to detail your car and protect it against elements, HydroSpeed is a product for you. HydroSpeed is going to allow you to protect it and shine it up, making your car look extravagant. We're going to show you how to do it. Come on, let's go. So now grabbing one of my Monster Extreme premium microfiber towels, make sure to always rip out the tag. This way you're not scratching your paintwork or any surface you're using this on. Make sure to fold it in fours. This way you're getting the most out of your microfiber towel. Grab your HydroSpeed or any quick detailer of your preference and spray the area. Some light sprays go a long way. I like to spray my towel as well because I like that extra shine. We're gonna move in linear motions. This way we're not scratching or causing any harm to the paintwork. Once you get that surface covered, we're gonna go to the dry side and buff off. Same thing, linear motions. Once we're done, we simply move on to the next step. The reason why quick detailers are so beneficial is because, like I said, I washed this car 2 days ago. I got a couple bird droppings on it. I want to make this thing look spiffy clean. That way, when I'm picking up my date, she doesn't go like, hey, what the hell is wrong? You know, you could pick me up with a clean car. So we're gonna simply, there's bird poop. We're gonna simply spray over the area, spray over my towel as well, and begin to wipe. And look at that, gone. Spiffy, clean. Like this, I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car. And just like that, with a few simple sprays, with a few simple wipes, my car is looking crystal clear. I am now ready to take it on for a nice ride. Thanks to Chemical Guy's Quick Detailer, my car is looking its best. Let's go, come on.